Virtuoso Builders, and what we do is residential remodeling, home additions, accessory dwelling units, guest houses, the whole house gutting. So pretty much everything that you don't want to do to hire us for, to completely mess up your house and then make it all beautiful again so that you can enjoy it for a lifetime. There was a turning point in my life, and our construction company was getting noticed. I was working in the corporate world and I didn't have much time to spend with my 2 young children. I took a leap of faith and I left the corporate world and I started working full-time with my husband, and I have not looked back.
Her business savvy I find incredible. It really is. And I had no idea of it until we got into business together. And of course, she's a beautiful woman inside and out. And to work with her is a privilege. I don't look at it as work, but we get to spend time together in business, and it is a privilege to be with her.
The work-life balance, we've talked about that. We work together on my project and we've become friends. And I think being around women who demonstrate balance, family, faith, service to community, and their work. Their work is their life with her company, but there's always that sense that there's a wonderful balance.
She inspires me because she gives so much to the community. She inspires me because she's always willing to, put herself out there. Looking at her business, she inspires me because of all those awards that she's made with her business, and she continues on. So I just think she has a beautiful heart.
From the very beginning, it was like working with your best friend. Always was full of information and made me feel comfortable about the goals I had and the choices that we were making.
Those small things are what our clients notice. Those small things are the things that they remember.
Running a business is a lot to juggle. Raising a family on top of that and being a great partner to her husband, she's very deserving.
Feels like a champagne moment. It really is. And I guess you just do the things that you do on a daily basis and don't really think about all of the things that you're achieving on a daily basis. I mean, for me, I just get up, go to work, and I do it, and I enjoy it, and I get to work with my husband. I mean, I wouldn't be doing this business without him, and I certainly wouldn't be able to get through a lot of the things I get through on a daily basis without him either.